Welcome back to Dan Likes to Eat on YouTube. Okay, we don't need to do that voice. Today we're not going to be making anything. We're going to be
going outside?
Going outside?
You guys, this quarantine is making everyone crazy, so you gotta have something to keep you sane, right? I want to take you to get my favorite Thai food in my neighborhood. We're gonna need a couple things to go outside safely. First up, hand sanitizer. Oh yeah. Okay, second up, some gloves for once we get to the restaurant. There's a door that's gonna have to be opened. Next up, paper towel. This is to use on the door handle going out of my apartment. I don't know how many people have touched those grubby little doorknobs and
I'm not about to catch anything.
The last.
And most important thing.
The mask.
All right, I'm ready to go.
Let's go. Here we are on the streets of Manhattan. Follow me. Stay away! Stay away!
I'm tired of waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy. I'm tired of waiting.
Okay, we're back. Mask off, food in. Let's dive in. First up, we have some curry empanadas. What? I have never heard of that, but it's amazing. I get them like a couple times a week. Go get yourself one. This one's mine. Then I have some pineapple fried rice. It's just so good. Okay, sorry. And then my personal favorite, the pad thai. It's just delicious. It's perfect. It's amazing. Then right over here, we have some delicious spring rolls because after all, it is spring. And last but not least, we have a coconut water with young coconut meat. So good. Oh my gosh, I love pad thai.
And at this point, how could you not subscribe? But seriously, thanks for joining me on this journey. I hope next time you order Thai food, you think of me. Bye now.
So let's be crazy.